Hey guys, thank you so much for being here. Welcome to my page. My name is Khanyi, and today I want to talk about a self invite. What is a self invite and how do you apply that in your business? Happy Monday, happy new month. What is a self invite? Now, I'm going to tell you about what a self invite is and how you can go about that. But this is going to be good for you if you are petrified of inviting people to look at your opportunity or talking to strangers about your business opportunity. Now, you definitely want to learn this method because a self invite is where people actually invite themselves to have a look at your business opportunity. So you do not have to feel uncomfortable talking about your business opportunity or your product because they've actually just invited themselves. How awesome is that? How many people would like to have people invite themselves to have a look at their opportunity? I think that is pretty awesome. And I'm going to share with you a few things you can do in your business to start getting people to invite themselves to have a look at your business opportunity. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you have not met me, let me introduce myself. My name is Khanyi. I'm the founder of this page and www.khanyisamhlongo.com. I'm a coach and a mentor for network marketers, especially those who want to build their business online using social media strategies because it really just makes sense. it's it's so much fun and it makes so much sense. So I'm gonna talk to you about how you go about implementing a self-invite strategy in your business where people actually invite themselves to have a look at your opportunity. I actually, hey Una, I actually had a chat with someone this past week, who said to me they are petrified. Literally, this is the word that she used. She said she is petrified of telling people about her business opportunity. And I thought, yo, that is a rather strong word to be petrified. But I can actually relate to that. Okay, I can relate to being petrified because I have experienced fear as well, especially when I'm supposed to talk to strangers about my business opportunity. And this was very strange for me because I'm actually I'm not uncomfortable to talk to people. But talking to strangers was just so uncomfortable. So when she said petrified, I was like, okay, that is a big word. I wouldn't have used that word, but I can relate to that kind of fear. So if you feel petrified or paralyzed as well to talk to people about your business opportunity or your product, especially people you do not know, let me know in the comments section. Drop a word that you can relate, engage in the conversation, because what I'm going to share with you, it's really going to help you turn the tables around. Okay. So, okay, now what can you do? I'm going to cover basically three things that you can do to help you overcome this fear of talking to people. The first thing, and actually what I'm going to be talking about is in relation to social media. Okay, how you go about this in social media, right? So the first thing that you would want to do basically is to lead with curiosity, to create curiosity. Okay, and I'll explain that to you, how that benefits you and gets people to actually ask you for more information. Curiosity means that you're not giving the whole game away, you're not putting everything on the public profile where people can see it. You are leading with curiosity, so you're sharing information but you don't give all the information, right? You don't give the whole game away. That is the main thing about curiosity. So the first thing that you want to not give away is the name of the company that you work with. It's the name and the brand of the product that you are promoting. Now, not because you are embarrassed about the product or the company, but simply because you want to be able to create curiosity so that people can ask you, if they like what you are sharing, they can ask you more information. Because if all the information is already available right there, there is absolutely no reason to contact you. Are you with me? So that is the number one rule and principle for creating for having people invite themselves. You want to be curious. You want you want them to be curious for what of what you are promoting. Okay, excuse me. So that is number one. Okay. Now, so you lead with curiosity. And then what you don't want to do, I've already mentioned that, is that you don't want to give all the information. When they contact you, you can give them all the information. Now, it's not because you are secretive. It's just that you want them to talk to you. Okay. Number two is that you want to brand yourself. And it talks to what I've just said, to say, do not lead with the company name or the brand name. You want to talk about you, yourself, and what you can offer. Okay, what problems you can solve. And obviously your company, as well as the product and the brand that you are promoting, is a vehicle to that solution, but you are the vehicle. You are the business, basically. So you want to brand yourself so that people get to know you as somebody who can provide certain kind of solutions. Are you with me? Okay, so that is that you want to brand yourself around. And when I talk about branding, you want to brand yourself around whatever it is that you are promoting. If you are promoting a network marketing business opportunity, brand yourself around somebody who provides solutions in the network marketing space, or whatever your solution does. Maybe you brand yourself around helping people to generate another source of income. If you are promoting a health product, brand yourself around that topic, not necessarily the product or the company, but around the topic. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Let me know if this is value and it makes sense to you. That is number two. You want to brand yourself. It creates curiosity. Okay. Number three, you want to educate. Now, education is very important because if you think about it, before you started with your network marketing business, you also did not know about your company and the products and how awesome they are. You learned it, you were educated. So you also want to educate your prospects. Instead of just asking them to buy, you want to educate them first. Educate them some more, show them how the product works, and then with curiosity. Obviously, you want this to be to lead with curiosity, and you don't give the whole game away, and they'll be able to get more information when they contact you. Can you see how that can change the game for you, where people are contacting you? Okay, now how do you go about getting this right, the curiosity thing? So 3 steps that you can do. Number one, you're gonna put a post. Okay, you're gonna put a post. Okay, that lets them know how you're gonna solve their problems. Now, your business opportunity or your product, it helps people solve problems. So, what problems can you solve? Communicate that. That is your communication. You're going to create a post. That's number one. Number two, the post is to not to ask them to buy, but to let them know how you solve problems. What is it that you do that they are looking for? Let them know what problems you can solve. You can definitely solve problems. So focus on those problems that you can solve and let them know. That is number two. Number three, you want to end with a call to action. This is where you let them know how they get more information. So maybe you want them to inbox you, or you want them to comment, or you want them to click on a link where you're going to talk to them somewhere. You want to provide a way for them to be able to invite themselves to come see whatever it is that you're talking about. Can you see how that works? Now, let me know if this is valuable for you. Just type hashtag value, and then that's basically how the self-invite works. First, you want to lead with curiosity. Second, you want to brand yourself. And third, you want to educate. And obviously, educate them in terms of what it is that what problems you can solve, and this product that you've got. Okay, that in the nutshell is how a self-invite works. That in a nutshell is how attraction marketing works. It teaches you how to attract people. So you're not just chasing, you're attracting people. By the time they come to you, they're not only, here's the another benefit, they're not cold market anymore. They are warm market, sometimes hot. They're like ready to buy or to join. Okay, so you're moving people by educating them from being cold to warm to hot, okay, to customers or team members. That is exactly how this thing works. Can you see how that can help you? Now, there's no longer being petrified of talking to prospects, because they are definitely looking for what you have to offer. They are definitely looking for you. They already have bought into you, because remember, people buy from people, people join people. So by the time they come to you, they're like, yeah, whatever it is that you're talking about, they don't may not know what it is, but they know that they want it, and they want it from you. How awesome is that? So that is the self-invite method. Let me know if you found value. Lastly, if this thing is still very confusing to you, you're like, yeah, I hear it, but how do I practically implement this in my business? I want to invite you to come have a look. I'm going to be doing a workshop where I'm going to be showing interested parties how they can implement attraction marketing in their business, and how it can actually help them. So let me know in the link that I've got. Click on that link, book yourself onto that workshop, and come have a look at how it can help you build your business, so that you can start having people contact you to learn more about your business opportunity, so that you can start having people invite themselves to have a look at your business opportunity. How awesome is that? Yeah, I think that is pretty awesome. Thank you so much. My name is Khanyi Samhlongo, and signing off. Hope to see you in the workshop. Bye bye.